As you can see, I have got around 202 clicks, and now I have got all this summary. So how much scraping has been done. This is the dashboard you can easily generate here. In this video, we will learn how to track AI traffic, behavior on your website, and how you can build a dashboard inside your Google Analytics 4, and much more in this video which you will learn. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and press that subscribe button. First, we will talk about how to track your AI traffic using Google Analytics. For this, all you need to do is go to your Google Analytics account and select your property, and then you have a explore section on the left. Just click on the explore section here. Then you need to go to explore, create a new exploration. After that, you need to create a segments. Click on that plus button and then click on create a new segment button. Then you need to select the session segment. You will have this regex where you need to put your expression here. You need to put that regex rule here. All you need to do is add new condition. Just search for session source. So this one you need to select session source, and there's a filter option. For the filter option, select matches regex and paste your rule just like that, and you are done. All you need to do is just rename this like AI traffic and click on apply. That's it. And in the dimension and matrix, in the matrix, search for session or use this particular sessions here, nothing else. Just click on confirm. And in the dimensions here, you can use landing page. Just search for it. You have landing page plus query settings, and more you can use page location. There you go. You can add page location. You can add much more. For example, country. There you go. In this session, you just need to select the session source. Click on confirm. So you have got 4 things: landing page plus query settings, page location, country, and session source. Now it's time to display our reports. On the right side, there's a different type of visualization. If you want a table, just select the table. There are actually different settings for different visualization. There's a donut chart, there's a line chart, and there's also the geo map chart. So this is depend among your preferences. And in the rows section, all you need to do is drag and drop the dimension. For example, this is the landing page plus query, and there is a session source, right? There's a page location. This is what I want. There's a country as well. So these are the rows I want in my report. No need to select any column here. Just we need the rows. The columns will be in the horizontal section. We just need to add the rows, and the values just need to select the sessions, and there you go. So you have got all the details. As you can see, I have got around 202 clicks from past 28 days. And from the left side, you can use the past 7 days, yesterday, or past 7 days. That's it. And there you go. Now, all you need to do is download this particular data in CSV. Why I'm telling you to do that, we will cover that in upcoming section. So now, how you can see the behavior of AI agents or AI Claude on your website. I suggest you sign up to Flare because they have the AI audit section where you will find all the AI behaviors happening on your website. Second, if you are familiar with, I would say, if you're familiar with the how server works, then you know there is an access log. As you can see here, there's the access log of my website there. If I click on refresh, all I will search is for the ChatGPT, and as you can see, ChatGPT user, this is the bot from the AI system from OpenAI. As you can see there, openai./bot has scraped this particular URL from my website. This might be really messy. So second option is the CloudFlare. If you have configured your domain with CloudFlare, then you have a section here which is your DNS. All you need to do is proxy that particular DNS and then click on AI audit. Wait for few days, 7 or 8 days, to get all the information from your website. Select all providers, or if you want to target only few provider, you can go ahead and select that as well. Second is all bot types for the past 7 days, and the domains I want to use is my domain. And now I have got all this summary. So how much scraping has been done by these AI bots out there? It's actually humongous. As you can see here, total of 16,000 only from the open AI. And if you see on the ByteDance, which is I think from the TikTok owner, they request around 4,000 plus. Amazon bot, GPT bot, and then you need to just download this CSV file here. Okay, so what's the use of those files we have downloaded? All you need to do is go to manus.im/app, but you can also do that with the help of ChatGPT. It will does the same job, but Manus, however you want to call, has a deep reasoning model that's make it easy for you to create a dashboard. So all you need to do is choose the file which you have downloaded, just drag and drop file here, and the second file is this, and paste this particular prompt which says create a dashboard in HTML, Bootstrap, CSS with the chats add-on, analyzes my AI bot activity. It's very straightforward, just like that, and press enter. For the free account, Manus has around 1,000 credits, and it gives you daily credit to try this out, and it's actually pretty great, and it won't eat that much credit for this particular activity. Let's wait for the result here. Okay, so our dashboard is ready. So there's a two way to access your dashboard. First, let me give you that as well. Just download this and just open this particular dashboard. There will be folder extracted to dashboard, and there's an index.html. There you go. We have told this to create a website, and it has created the website. All you need to do is click on the visit. As you can see, the total bot visit is about 16,000. So this is the dashboard you can easily generate here, and this is the page which has the highest number of visits. This is the detailed data, detailed ChatGPT and bot activity. There's country, traffic, United States is the top ones, India, Tunisia, and list goes on here. So you can select the type of bot, you can select the provider, you can also select the path, page, media, highest to lowest. This is the dashboard you will get for free using this strategy. If you really want to use a tool that can track everything, then I suggest you use this Sonic's new AI traffic analysis. All you need to do is just click on the new project here. It's available free for first time use, but I really don't want you to use such tools. Why? Because they charge around $20, $30 per month. They use your data, and they will find all the competitor, and they share your data with those competitors. That will be a breach of interest. So if you really want to go ahead. I've already created this. This is the dashboard you will get. So the top sources, the top pages, a number of total AI visits, number of human visits. The process is pretty much same. So this is how you can create your own dashboard using this particular trick. How did you like this video? Do let me know in the comment box, and there's much more coming in the future. Do consider subscribing to our channel, because it will boost our morale to post more and more tricks like this. So see you in the next video.